Hey there, welcome to Browser How. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to save a web page as PDF using the Edge app on iPhone. So launch your Edge browser and open any web page that you want to save as a PDF. Say suppose this is the web page that I want to save as a PDF. For that, what I can do is I can tap on this 3-bar options, and within the options I have the share command. Just select that, and with the share command I have this option to print. So I can just choose the print command, which will open this printing pane. Here you would be able to see the preview of how the print will look like. Here at the very top you would be able to see this again a share icon. Just choose that and it will open this another panel where you have the option to save to files. Now just select save to files option and choose the location where exactly you want to save the file and tap on save command, and it will save the page as a PDF. If you go to files and look out for that particular page, then you would be able to see it is available here. So in this way you can save the pages as a PDF file in your iPhone device using the Edge app. I hope you find this video helpful. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. Cheers. Have a great day.